Hi, my name is Jeff Evans with Streamlight. I'm here today to present to you the 3 AAA Haslow Trident headlamp. The Trident has a combination of both a close-up soft pattern beam as well as a distance-capable beam for downrange applications. It has 2 power modes, high for maximum illumination and low for battery conservation. The Trident features a tilting head that pivots 90 degrees so you can orient the light towards your application. It has a large push-button switch that you can operate easily with a gloved hand. The Trident also comes with a rubber strap which fits nicely on a hard hat and won't allow the light to slip off, as well as a cloth strap that's more comfortable for your head. The light runs on 3 AAA batteries. It is Class 1 Division 1 rated for hazardous atmospheres. The Trident, with its low beam pattern for more detailed work and high output pattern for more distance-oriented applications, might be the right headlamp for you when you're not sure which applications you're going to run into on the job.